Hi guys, so I thought I'd just jump on really quick and share with you my kit lineup for the month of March in my A5 memory planner. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a quick peek inside because I made these tabs myself, by the way. Nothing special. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing the week of the 28th of Feb, the week of the 7th of March. That's my dog digging. Phoebe, no. The 14th of March and the 21st of March. And I think it is the one more. Yeah, I have got my kit out for the 28th to the of March to April 3rd. So yeah, let's get the kits ready. I'll just move this off to the side, and I am really excited. I've probably spent way too long choosing out my kits, but there we go. So the first week of March, I'm going to be using this mini kit from Simply Gilded, and oh my god, I can't even remember. Does it? Yeah, so it's the Sakura Bloom. Is that how you say it? Sakura or Sakura? Whichever. Probably butchered both ways, to be honest. Yeah, so I'm going to be using that from the, well, basically the first week of March. I've completely forgot which. The 28th of Feb to the 6th of March. I should have written this down. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be bringing in lots of extras and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited. And then up next for the week of the 7th until the 13th, I'm going to be using this beautiful kit from Josephine Bow Design. Or is it just Josephine Bow? It's absolutely stunning. It's hollow foil and it's called Good Vibes. You do have to pick up the headers. I think it's £2 extra, but they were so beautiful I didn't want to leave them. So that's your full boxes. And then we've got our day covers and trackers. Oh, so beautiful. I love the little checklists that she makes too. And then you've got your boxes, and there's so many, which I'm so grateful for. And then we've got the washi, which, oh guys, I think I'm going to be using a bunch of leftovers in my Stalogy this month. If you do want to see my kit lineup for my Stalogy as well, definitely let me know. There may be some overlap. But yeah, I'd still be happy to share with you. So next up, we've got the week of the 14th to the 20th. And I'm sure this week is Mother's Day, I think on the Sunday. So I just picked a nice floral kit, and this is from Florina Papery. So you get your date covers and your date dots, which I love. I love getting date dots in a kit. So we've got our full boxes, and then we've got some little flags. And this paper, I just want to mention, it reminds me of Harriet Wrote Designs paper. It's definitely like a vinyl matte. It's absolutely beautiful. And then we've got a bunch of boxes, some more flags. Well, you get so much in these kits, guys. A bunch of scalloped like boxes, some arrows, a bunch of headers. I love the headers that she does. I especially love the bow ones. And then we've got some bottom washi, and I just want to show you this because I love it. This is like a scalloped little washi tape. Hopefully you can see that, but it's absolutely beautiful. And then again, checklists, some washi, trackers, headers. And I think this is my favourite sheet in the entire kit because you get a bunch of script. I love that all her kits, well, they did last time I checked, come with a little planner in the matching artwork. So that's just a really cute touch, I think. And I love these layering stickers. I love adding like little icons and stuff. So yeah, that will be the kit that I use for Mother's Day week. That's what I'm going to call it. So this one is from a shop that is no longer trading, unfortunately, but that's Elizabeth Plans. And I've already dipped into this kit, as you can see. But this will be, I think, I'm not sure what day it's officially the first day of spring, but I did have a quick look on Google and I think it's the 22nd. So I'm going to go with Google. So yeah, so we did get 8 full boxes, but obviously I've used one, and you get some glitter headers. And I just literally chose this kit because it says Hello Spring there. But it's a really pretty kit. And I love like the minty green with the pink. So obviously we get date covers, some icons, a bill due. I think there were 2 bill dues there. And some half boxes. And of course, date dots, which I'm always grateful for. A bunch of headers and littles. I think this is meant to be at the back, but it's okay. So a decal script and this beautiful box. I definitely, my words today, guys, they're just not working. I definitely love these kind of pictures, like the huge double boxes. They're definitely great for all kinds of things. I either use them on like really quiet weeks, or I'll just like laminate them and use them as little journaling cards and stuff. This was the checklists, but as you can see, it's been heavily used. And we've got some, well, there's one left, and then we've got some little labels. And then, oh, look at that washi. It just, oh, it's beautiful. So yeah, this is the washi sheet, and then I think last up, this is the functional sheet. Yeah. So there's a bunch of labels, some work. I think these was the habit trackers and stuff. I love the flags. But yeah, and then we get another piece of like washi there too, I think. And I think this is removable. I've always found it quite removable anyway, this paper from Elizabeth Plans. So if you see them on the D-stashes and stuff, I highly recommend them. And so the last, the reason I'm showing you this week is because it's my niece's birthday, and her birthday's March, so I think it's only right that the kit for her birthday should be my March lineup. So her birthday is actually the 29th of March, but this is for the week of the 28th of March until the 3rd of April. And I got this in a Facebook D-stash, and it's a Shine Sticker Studio sticker book, and it's just so cute. So I'm going to give you a quick flip through. Hopefully you can see this okay. So it is like a cracked glitter holographic foil. It's really pretty, and oh, she's obsessed with all things unicorn and glitter and pink and rainbow, so this is just the perfect kit. So there's a lot of stuff in here, and I think I'm just going to flip through just to show you. Oops, this sheet is coming unattached already, and it's just, oh, it's so pretty and so pastel and just so girly. Just look at that washi, guys. This bottom washi is beautiful. Can't wait to use it. It is just so pretty. If you can hear the wind, I think, is it Storm Eugene now? I can't keep up. I love that one. It makes me smile so much. I love a cheeky sticker. I definitely do. Oh, and the date covers are quite thin, but I don't mind that because I'll just bump them up. And yeah, I'll just get a bit of extra space out of them. So that one's peeling off. It's quite a nice, I'd say it's a glossy paper. Or is it a vinyl? It's hard to tell. But last up, we've got this. And you get so many boxes, guys. I love this as well. It's because obviously it's like a checklist, but it's numbered, which I appreciate. And I love the habit trackers. So yeah, so I think I paid £5 for this out of the D-stash. It was an absolute bargain. But yeah, I think, guys, that is my official lineup for my A5 rings So let's just get all these out so you can see them all at once, because I love looking at what people are going to plan with. I always like to take inspiration as well. So, you know, when if you're struggling for a kit and you see someone and they're going to use a kit and you're like, ooh, I wouldn't mind using that kit. Yeah, so I'm just really excited to use these kits. Yeah guys, so this is what I'm going to be using for the month of March in my rings. Definitely let me know in the comments below which is your favourite kit, and I'd love to know what kits you'll be using, because, you know, any reason to do some shopping. But yeah guys, that's it from me today, so hopefully I'll see you on the next one. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd absolutely love it if you subscribed, and I'll see you all later. Bye.